Alright. Just got this one big pine tree. It's a sugar pine. It's pretty fat. You want to stand next to it? Kind of hard to tell on video, but it's, I would say, over 40 inches wide. Big, tall, dead, crispy. And he's on a budget, so I'm just here to cut it down. So I told him the cheapest route was just fall it, send it where he wants it to go, and you know, it's gonna break some things. So we decided to send it down this road. There's this oak tree that comes out. That's gonna get broken, and he's okay with it. So he went for the cheaper route. So that's the collateral damage is what's going to happen, and he's okay with that. So it should be pretty exciting, a little dramatic. Things are going to be popping and breaking. So let's get started. That was pretty exciting. I was a little worried about the blowback. You see those limbs?
Right.
This big limb blew back. We busted the tree I was talking about, but I'll follow that for him too. Still rolling. That should be exciting. I put the GoPro 8 over here just because I knew it was kind of gonna get smashed, but check this mess out. Another thing I wanted to point out, I didn't get to use it today, but I hafted this axe last night. I made the handle. This is a Honecker blacksmithing head that I had custom made, hand forged by Honecker Blacksmithing. He's on Instagram and all that stuff. Hand forged. I gave him the dimensions of an old GBA rafting axe, the Strokes line, and he nailed it, man. Did a really good job. 5-pound rafting axe, chamfered edges, chamfered pole, and I made a white oak handle. I engraved beast mode on it, and this is Ipe wood, and I put dowels in it to hold it on for the laminate, and then I did a double Ipe wedge. Pretty sweet.